I chose to attend Cazenovia because it's really close to my family, particularly my Nana. I'm actually really close to her. And when I found out about their fashion department, I started looking into it and I just really fell for the school. Before I transferred, I was actually a student at OCC, and I had a mutual friend from home who came here. And I met some people in the fashion department particularly, and they just showed me the program, and I kind of followed the process, and I'm here. This year in the fashion show, I'm currently the co-manager of the promotion team and marketing team. Every aspect of a fashion show is done and produced by the merchandisers. So we are in charge of all of the models, the way they walk, the way they look, their facial structures, their hair, their makeup. That's one team. Then we have the production team. They're in charge of all the music, the lighting, all the sound effects, the way the stage looks, everything to do with that aspect. And then there's a promotion team, and they're in charge of all promotions, whether it be social media or whether it be print media or anything like that. My favorite part of the process of leading up to the fashion show is the photo shoots. It's kind of the bridge between what we're trying to get across and what the world's gonna see from the outsider's perspective. It's a lot of thought and effort put into these shoots. And it's really fun while you're in the moment because you're just seeing it all come together. And it's like a little kind of preview of the fashion show sort of. So it just gets you really excited. So that's like the second best thing I think to actually show day. I think the thing I'm looking forward to most on show day will be like the feeling of having it all come together and seeing all the models walk, all the senior collections go out, all the music go off without a hitch, all the promotional pieces being in the right spot and having them look perfect, and just knowing that we did it. To the future students that plan on coming here, definitely have fun, plan to meet new people, make new experiences, but also be ready for a lot of work. But it'll be the most rewarding work you've ever done.